Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the import range function to import some data that you might have in a spreadsheet to another spreadsheet. Okay, of course you might use just the all copy paste method, but this is going to be more useful if you have a large amount of data. Okay, and you just want to do it with a command directly. Okay, so let's take a look at my current seed, which is this one here. And as you can see, we have some data that goes from A1 up to B9. Okay, this is the whole data that I have, and that I want to import into this new spreadsheet here, which is completely empty. Okay, now you want to choose basically your cell where you want to start importing data here, and now you want to copy your link to the old spreadsheet here, which is this one here. So you can just copy here. Now, once we have that, let's go to our new spreadsheet and let's click on this function button here and let's type equal import range parentheses. And now you have to copy your spreadsheet URL, but it's important that this has to be in quotes. Okay, so I'm just gonna open quotes here and I'm gonna copy this, actually paste it, and then I'm just gonna add a comma and I'm gonna do quotes again, and I'm gonna do from A1 to, let me check, it was B9, right? Yeah, from A1 to B9. So I'm just gonna do A1 to B9 quotes and close parentheses. And as you can see here, we have our data from the original table. Okay, the only issue that I have with this function is that it doesn't respect format. So as you can notice here, we have our employee and the category header names. They are basically gray, but here they are not. Okay, so you could have to actually fill in the color again manually. All right, that is the only problem that I have with this function here. All right, that's it. Thank you so much.